Hello, WTF Bikes Facebook subscriber people, yeah, whatever. It's Matt again. Tom's in Europe, doing Europe stuff. So I'm here posting videos, I guess. Why? Why am I posting a video? You obviously didn't ask. Well, I'm doing this mostly out of boredom. It's raining. Obviously, anybody who's in Portland can tell that it's raining. So, anticipating the rain, I stocked up on fenders. I know you need fenders, right? If you come to WTF Bikes, like soon, I'll get you fenders. It's a thing. It's a thing people do when it rains. So come to WTF Bikes. I'll put fenders on your bike. Thank you. Enjoy the rain. Closed Monday.